Our today's topic is why voltage or current comes in the earth wire. Normally, current in the earth wire is uncommon in ideal conditions. Okay, if there is any fault condition, then only there will be some current or voltage appear on our earth wire. Okay, there might be various reasons of this. The first one may be the fault current. Okay, or we could say line to earth fault. Due to this reason, sometimes you could see current on your earth wire. The normal reason of this one is during the fault. I mean, if the line wire touches the earth, suppose you have a appliance. The body of this appliance is metal one, and we have line wire, neutral, and earth is already connected to the appliance. Okay, it is earth, neutral, and live. And inside of this one, if there is any short circuit happened, I mean due to the faulty appliance, then normally what would happen? The line touches the body. We know that the earth is already connected to the body. At that time, the current would appear on this earth wire and it flows to our earth bit. At this situation, you could see some current or voltage on the earth. And the second case may be due to neutral earth fault. Okay, in this one, if neutral and earth are connected somewhere unintentionally, then there would be some current would flow through the earth wire. It is common in the TNC and TNCS method. You know that these are two earthing systems. If you have these earthing systems in your premise, then this situation would be common though. And also this problem arises due to the wrong wiring on your house, okay, or due to the broken neutral connection. Okay, broken neutral connection. At this situation, the neutral touches the earth wire. At this time, the current would flow through the earth. It is the neutral. Okay, it is the neutral. At this time, the current would flow through the earth. The third condition may be the leakage current. We could say it as capacitive or inductive coupling. Okay, this situation would arise from various reasons, maybe due to poor insulation. Okay, poor insulation of your system, or due to long cable runs, and due to that long runs, it would picking up inductive or capacitive coupling. Okay, suppose your load is over here, and the power connection is come from a long distance. At that time, during the journey of this cable, at that time the capacitive or inductive coupling takes place. Another reason would be EMI, electromagnetic interference. But the thing is, this would be only milliampere or microampere you could see on your system due to this problem. It is very less, but even though it should be rectified. And the next reason may be the faulty appliance. I already told you before that if you have any faulty appliance, then there would be some internal leakage happens. Then at that time, the current flows through the earth wire to the earth pit. But in this situation, your RCD or ELCB on your system should trip to protect the circuit. Next one may be improper earthing system. Improper earthing system. There may be various reasons which lead to this problem. It may be poor bonding or grounding of your earth system. And it may be due to multiple earth points. Multiple earth points. Due to this, circulating current would be produced on your system. And the circulating current would pass through your earth wire. Okay, and the next one is the voltage difference between your earth rods. We know that we may have more than one earth pit on our premise. One earth pit over here and another earth pit over here. Normally we know that our earth pit has a resistance of less than 1 ohm. It is the recommendable value, and its voltage must be 0 volt, and this earth pit also must have a voltage of 0 volt. But sometimes if there is any voltage difference between these earth pits, suppose your earth pit has 3 voltage or 5 voltage like that, then at that time the difference between these two earth pits would be 5. That means 5 minus 0. This 5 minus 0, that is 5 volt. So this situation also leads to the leakage current. So now I want to tell you how to detect this problem. If your premise have this problem, then we need to detect this one. So we can use clamp meter. Clamp meter on our earth wire. At that time we could see some reading on this clamp meter. If you see any value more than 0, then you can say that there is some leakage current. Then you need to investigate what is the problem on your system. And also you can use insulation resistance tester. Okay, insulation resistance tester to find the leakage current. So these are the two methods to detect the problem. If you find this video useful, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.